After documenting a life of full-time RVing to life as digital nomads living in Mexico and traveling to Asia, our YouTube audience was bound to change. Watching our stats drop week after week while our audience changed had me a little down in the dumps. At 55,000 subscribers, you'd think I'd know a bit more about what makes a successful YouTube channel, but I felt less and less sure of what people wanted to watch. I spent a lot of time lately researching other channels and what makes them successful by sorting by most popular video. Then, in November, we published our worst performing content ever on our channel, a series called Rugged.
Rugged is travel the hard way. Girls don't wake up with makeup on. Sometimes it even rains.
The series jokes that on a platform flooded with butts and bikinis, we'd be sharing adventuring through the jungle instead of slow motion twirls on the beach. The problem? Without a butt and bikini on the thumbnail, who would see the series? The first 2 episodes launched over consecutive weekends. Less than 1,500 views. The fewest ever. We knew something had to change, but could it be that easy? Episode 3 of the series goes live with, well, boobs in a bikini. Views shot way up. It was the most successful video of the last 10 posted on the channel. Could this be true? Change the other thumbnails, I thought. More bikinis! Why stop here? Looking back at incredible long-form content on our channel that never saw the light of day, I thought, this content deserves to be seen. But I can't go back to all those countries and retake photos around the world. Stock butts! The library grew larger. The number 1 rule I found when searching for butts and bikinis is you're going to want to look for a butt similar to yours. You can't just pull a butt out of your ass. This is what my butt looks like. People would be confused if they clicked on this thumbnail. There's a lot of research and development that goes into choosing the right butt for your channel. Blonde, but too tan. My hair would never be that curly. That chick is way too hot. Here it was, my curated collection of ambiguous women's bodies. Pew, 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 pew. Now it was time to sit back and wait. For 12 hours. The views started rolling in. Has this information shocked you? It shouldn't. Everyone knows the internet was invented to share butts and bikinis, but nothing can prove just how important butts are without using math. Our year-old New Zealand camper van hour-and-a-half documentary started circling the YouTube browse page. A video with no more than 200 views per day shot up over 1,000%. A video that I had made $11 over 365 days made me over $200 in 48 hours. It was working! Pew, 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 pew. Because it wasn't just the butt. Well, okay, let's be honest. It was like the butt. I'm just happy that after 4 years on YouTube, I finally figured out the secret. The only thing is, next week we share the first episode in the next series of Rugged, hitting some of the roughest and most remote terrain in northern Vietnam. But then, oh gosh, don't worry, then we're headed back to Mexico with, you got it, butts in bikinis. No butts were harmed in the making of this video. Tim and Finn do not recommend going out of your comfort zone to expose yourself on the internet. All photos were found on copyright-free image websites and remind you not to steal photographs you do not own. Any slow-motion bikini twirling video needs epic music, and that's why we use Epidemic Sound. You can sign up for a free 30-day trial using the link in the description. Good luck on your next YouTube video. We hope you get all of the views.